Tryskintle Foundation Stick is being promoted as a convenient, skin-perfecting makeup product that claims to provide smooth coverage, hydration, and a flawless finish. But the real question is whether it's actually a legit makeup product or just another overhyped online beauty item. The product is typically sold through its own website with bundled deals and discounts, often highlighting benefits like full coverage, skin-like finish, and easy application in stick form. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Foundation sticks are a real and popular makeup format, known for portability and quick application, and many reputable brands use similar formulas for everyday use. However, here's the key issue. There's very little independent information or verified reviews about Tryskintle as a brand or its foundation stick. Most of the positive feedback appears only on its own website, which means it may be controlled or selectively displayed. There are also several red flags in how it's marketed. The site uses heavy discounts and bundle pricing, claims like 100, 000 plus satisfied customers without third-party proof, highly polished testimonials with no external verification. This pattern is very common among drop shipping or low-trust beauty brands. User experiences outside the official site are limited, which makes it hard to confirm real-world performance, shade accuracy, or skin compatibility. These products come from established brands, have thousands of real reviews, and consistent quality control, something missing with lesser-known stores like Tryskintle. It's also important to understand that makeup performance depends on formulation, skin type, and shade matching, and unverified brands often struggle with consistency in these areas. So, is Tryskintle Foundation Stick real or fake? It's likely a real product that you can receive, but it shows multiple signs of being low trust and heavily marketed rather than proven. The bottom line is that Tryskintle appears to be an overhyped makeup product with limited independent credibility, so it's best to approach with caution and consider more established alternatives if you want reliable results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.